रानी, मंगल पांडे के बारे में बताइए, हीरा किस तरह की है इसमें, जो आपका कैरेक्टर है?
हीरा का जो किरदार है, शी इज़ प्लेइंग अ प्रोस्टिट्यूट फ्रॉम 1857 एंड शी इज़ अ सिंबल ऑफ द राइजिंग ऑफ द रेवोल्यूशन, क्योंकि शी डिपिक्ट्स वन ऑफ द स्लेव्स हु एट लास्ट टर्न्स आउट टू बी अ वॉरियर. So it just shows her, basically it shows India at that point of time that they were all under the East India Company as slaves, and how the rising fever got into everybody, into each and every person, and how she becomes into a warrior at the end after the revolution takes off.
जिस तरह से स्किल था करना, और कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी?
नहीं, मुश्किल तो मैं नहीं कहूँगी, क्योंकि जैसे ऐसा रूल नहीं था कि मुझे कुछ ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ी या कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ करना पड़ा. बस यही था कि बिकॉज आई वाज प्लेइंग अ प्रोस्टिट्यूट एंड आई हैव नेवर प्लेड अ प्रोस्टिट्यूट बिफोर, आई जस्ट हैड टू बी bold enough. I had to be a little carefree and not really be conscious of my body language, because usually when you are playing a prostitute you have to be really comfortable with your body language. तो उसके अलावा मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने कोई मतलब रिसर्च किया या कुछ भी, because I think केतन मेहता and the costume designer, they had done a lot of research, क्योंकि मंगल पांडे के बारे में बहुत कम रिकॉर्ड है, and but the record of that entire century is there, like 18th century में लोग कपड़े कैसे पहनते थे, कैसे घर होता था, वो सब का रिकॉर्ड है, but not much is known about Mangal Pandey. So I think when they showed me the pictures of the costumes and all, that is the only thing that basically I got to see as a research actually. But Hira being a fictional character, like I didn't have a burden of playing somebody of reality, of really someone from the period. But it just feels nice to play somebody who's from that period, because you wear the costumes of that time, and then when you're on the set, you have people around you, and you just feel very back in time. So that's what's very interesting.
जो अमीशा का कैरेक्टर है, आपके पास भी चॉइस थी कि वो कैरेक्टर करती हैं आप, तो व्हाई यू हैव चूज दिस कैरेक्टर ओनली?
मैंने जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, तभी मुझे आमिर ने और केतन मेहता ने मुझे चॉइस दिया था कि मैं कौन सा किरदार निभाऊं. तो मुझे एक्चुअली हीरा का रोल बहुत पसंद आया था, और तभी एक्चुअली हीरा का रोल एक कैमियो था. इट हैड जस्ट वन मुजरा सॉन्ग इन 2 scenes. इट वाज नॉट मच, बट सो आई एक्सेप्टेड द फिल्म एज इन प्लेइंग लाइक अ गेस्ट अपीयरेंस. बट द वे द स्क्रिप्ट progressed, I think they wanted Hira to be the romantic interest of Mangal Pandey, which was a little more interesting to the script. So I guess the role was slightly like 2 or 3 more scenes were added to the character, so it became a full-fledged role. But actually I really liked, and I wanted to play like a prostitute of that time, because I thought that was very interesting, because the very reason that she starts off as a slave who is sold at the marketplace, bought by the brothel house, and then from that stage to where she becomes part of the revolution and fights. So I guess that was really interesting.
आपकी जो पहली हिट फिल्म थी वो आमिर जी के साथ थी, तो ये फिल्म के साथ इस फिल्म को लेकर आप कितनी एक्साइट हैं?
मेरे ख्याल से वर्किंग विद आमिर इज़ ऑलवेज अ ग्रेट प्लेजर, और इट्स वंडरफुल बिकॉज मैंने उनसे बहुत सीखा है. इन अ वे ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड, फिलोसफर एंड गाइड, और उनके साथ काम करने को मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी करियर की शुरुआत उनके साथ की, और उन्होंने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया. एंड मोर देन एनीथिंग, आई थिंक नाउ माई इक्वेशन हैज़ चेंज विद हिम. We've become closer as friends, and it was really enjoyable working on The Rising. And I just hope and pray that that people like the film and they appreciate it, because it's a very interesting subject. It's on the revolt of 1857. It was a chapter which I really enjoyed studying in school, and just to be part of the film, it's something that I'm really proud about.
फिल्म जो है 15 अगस्त के आसपास ही रिलीज़ हो रही है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे. क्या कारण है कि हमेशा ऐसी जितनी भी पेट्रियोटिक फिल्म्स होती हैं उनके लिए इस तरह की डेट्स ही सेलेक्ट की जाती हैं?
ये तो आपको आमिर को पूछना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई एम रियली नॉट like involved in the release of the film. I think it's all decided by the producer and I guess by the director and all. So I wouldn't be able to throw much light on this.
लेकिन आपने ऑडियंस को कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जो इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे इस फिल्म को देखना है? इंडिपेंडेंस डे का कोई मैसेज या कि
as a citizen of the country, I just want to say one thing, that just be a very good citizen of the country, love your country, and loving country doesn't mean that you watch a patriotic film or you sing Jana Gana Mana I guess being a good citizen means that you help the city looking good, clean, and just be good and loving to each other. I think that will make a really good country.
रानी, इस फिल्म का जो स्केड्यूल है वो बहुत काफ़ी लंबा खिंच गया और बहुत सुंदर लोकेशंस पे इसकी शूटिंग भी हुई है, तो कितना एक्साइटेड रहा ये सारा, कितना एंजॉय करने को मिला, या बहुत ज़्यादा जब फिल्म का स्केड्यूल खिंच जाता है तो थोड़ा बोरिंग हो जाता है?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता. आई थिंक ये इन्फॉर्मेशन रॉन्ग आपको मिली है. आई थिंक द फिल्म वाज शॉट विद इन अ पीरियड ऑफ 6 months फ्रॉम January to August, and it was shooting non-stop, so I guess it was very tiring for all the people who were working like every day. But I think वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको गलत मिली कि वो मतलब खिंच गया. आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई थिंक इट्स फिनिश्ड इन रिकॉर्ड टाइम एंड बोथ द वर्जन्स आर रिलीजिंग in a year's time, so I guess it's a fantastic time, so I don't think ज़्यादा लंबी खिंची.
Anyone else?
केतन मेहता के साथ काम करना आपको कैसा लगा?
केतन मेहता के साथ काम करना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, because working with such a seasoned director who's directed actors like Nasruddin Shah and Smita Patil, I think it's wonderful working. He's got a great temperament while working. He enjoys, he knows exactly what he wants, and especially The Rising, Mangal Pandey, which was his baby for like last 10 years. He had written the script and he was really close to it. And finally the film being shot and now shown on screen, I think it's a great achievement for him. And I wish him all the best for Mangal Pandey.
And how was Bobby Baby on the set?
Bobby was not much there on the sets. So I can't say how he was on the sets, but as a producer I have shared a very good working relationship with him. My first movie with him was Satya, and this is my second. And he's really nice, because I always like to work with friends, and Bobby is one of my friends, so it's nice working.
Rani, how much did you incorporate in your look? I'm sure that the research was done, but aapne kitna, how much did you put in for your look, like whether it was makeup, it was hair,
I think as an artist, when you take on a role or when you take on a character, I think you have to give your own inputs also, but then I don't think you should make a big hue and cry about it, because that's my job, that is what I'm paid for, and if I work hard on my own look doesn't mean that I have to brag about it. I think that's something to be shared by all the technicians and the artists behind the camera, but when you come in front of the camera, I don't think you should sit and say kya kya kisne kya kiya. I think the credit for the costume should go to the costume designer, and the makeup and the hairstyle should go to the hairstylist and the makeup person, because they work really hard.
So you did a Mujra song,
It's the first time that I've done a Mujra for a film, and for me it was really tough, because we were shooting from 7 in the evening to 8 in the morning the next day. Like the shift was the night shift, and Mujra especially difficult, and on top of that if you have Saroj ji as a choreographer, she's really a perfectionist, and the way she used to show me the expressions, I don't think I've even done 1% of what she used to do, because she's just amazing in expressions, and she's the best. So I think that was really tough. I think in the whole film, I think that was the only thing which I had to work hard for, because giving those kind of expressions are a little tough, because it's मतलब पिछले ज़माने का है, period का है, and it's a little more very expressive. And nowadays the kind of films that we're doing are very realistic, very modern and very urban. So when you do a Mujra like that, which is set in the 18th century, I guess it becomes difficult, because you're trying to portray a person of that time, and then you have to give those expressions like how they used to give in Purana Zamana. So I think I had to work very hard on that. And I would give all credit to Saroj ji, because she really held my hand and she got me through that song. Otherwise, without Saroj ji, it would have been impossible. But I really enjoyed doing the Mujra.
तवायफ के रोल की जब भी बात होती है तो रेखा का नाम याद आता है. Did you feel any time challenge, or did you take the inspiration?
Actually challenge या inspiration का समय नहीं मिला, क्योंकि इतना tiresome होता था shooting in the nights, और मेरे दिमाग में या मन में शूटिंग के दौरान सिर्फ सरोज जी मुझे मतलब दिखाई देती थी. For me, my main aim in my life at that point had become to just impress सरोज जी, कि सरोज जी टेक को ओके बोल दें बस. So that was the only thing that was on my mind when I was doing the Mujra.
What about the music of the film? The Mangal Mangal song is on every.
I'm a great A.R. Rahman fan, and I'm a great Javed Akhtar fan. So So Javed Saab and A.R. Rahman coming together have always created history. So for me it was again wonderful to be working with that, you know, combination and doing songs, you know. And for me, I think the track of Mangal Pandey is very special because of Mujra, especially because the first time I've done a Mujra, so it becomes very special for me because it will be something that I'll always, you know, cherish. And Rahman doing the Mujra song for me becomes an icing on the cake. And of course there is the Mangal Mangal song, which is a cross between a bhajan and a very inspirational kind of a song. So I guess that's the power track of the film, and I guess that's turned out really well.
आमिर ने इस फिल्म में जो गाना गाया उसमें इस बार आपने उनका साथ दिया है गाने में?
एक्चुअली मैं कभी भी आमिर को गाने में साथ नहीं दे सकती क्योंकि मैं इतना अच्छा गा नहीं पाती हूँ, लेकिन जिस तरह से आमिर ने गाया है, मतलब ही इज़ नॉट रियली संग इट, पर उन्होंने कुछ बोल मतलब गाए हैं गाने में, होली के गाने में, एंड इट्स रियली रियली टफ बिकॉज आई हर्ड इट. और मैंने आमिर को इनफैक्ट पूछा भी कि हाउ हैव यू डन इट बिकॉज इट्स रियली टफ, बट आई गेस ही पुल्ड इट एक्सट्रीमली वेल.